Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
Hi, this is Kevin with RVFix. Today we're going to take a look at summarizing our Jayco 170BHW. So first thing, we just put some water in the fresh tank. We don't need to completely fill the tank for summarizing. We just want to make sure we get some in there so we can kick that pump on. So we're going to head inside. Our water pump's going to be right up at our monitor panel when we first come in. So we're going to go ahead and kick that on. So once I kick that pump on, I can hear it shallowly running. It's not loud like it should be. It's not picking the water up. So it just means when this trailer was winterized, they left the bypass hose on. So on this model, we're just going to get under this bunk bed, right, or this bunk mattress. And then we do have a couple screws holding this panel down. Right underneath here is going to be where the back of our water heater is and where our water pump's at. All right, and then we just got to lift this panel up. Take that out of the way to let you see what I'm looking at in here. So right here is our water pump. That clear hose, that's our bypass hose, and you can see that valve that it's connected to is pointed up. So I just need to change that over to where it's in line. Just like that. And now our pump's going to be sucking from the fresh tank. And there we go. I can hear it changing tone, so it's picking up water. All right, so now that we got that valve turned, our pump pressurized up, all we got to do is just run our fixtures on hot and cold till we get all the pink out. So, and this is a tankless water heater on this model, so there's no bypasses we got to worry about messing with. Usually the fixture that's furthest away, if you do that first, it just takes a bit longer. Okay, so that's nice and foamy coming out of there. It's just because the aerator, it's not pink anymore. But we'll go ahead and run it again after we do the rest of everything else. We're just going to flush the toilet. Coming out nice and clear. And then we're going to come in here and do our shower. Okay, nice and clear. And nice and clear. So, and the only other thing I would recommend is just we turn our master switch on out there. I'm going to run just a bit more through this one real quick. Like I said, it was kind of foamy. There we go. All right, then we just turn our water heater on and you'll be ready to go. So we're just turning our master switch on our water heater right there. And we'd be good to go for the summertime. Just make sure you do your pre-season checks. Check and spec torques on tires, tire tread. Seals and everything like that. And then after seals, make sure you're checking your lights before your first trip as well. Marker lights, brake lights, turn signals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.